Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 26th, 2025, and we're diving into CollPlant's third quarter financial results for 2025. CollPlant, a leader in regenerative and aesthetic medicine, has just released its latest earnings report. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. CollPlant's focus on innovative technologies, particularly their rhCollagen platform, makes this a fascinating report to discuss.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. CollPlant reported a revenue of $77,000 for the third quarter, which is a significant increase from the $4,000 reported in the same quarter last year. However, they still posted a gross loss. John, can you break this down for us?
Absolutely. The revenue increase is primarily due to higher sales of their rhCollagen-based products. Despite this, the company reported a gross loss of $192,000 for the quarter. However, on a 9-month basis, they achieved a gross profit of $1.7 million, a turnaround from a gross loss of $1 million in the previous year. This improvement is largely driven by a $2 million milestone payment from AbbVie, which significantly boosted their revenue.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. CollPlant has also been focusing on operational efficiencies. They reported a decrease in operating expenses and have initiated a cost-cutting plan. What does this mean for their future outlook?
CollPlant's operating expenses for the third quarter were $3.3 million, down from $4.3 million last year. This reduction is part of a broader cost-cutting strategy, including a 25% workforce reduction. With $8.5 million in cash and equivalents, they are prioritizing their collaboration with AbbVie and advancing their dermal filler product candidate. This strategic focus is expected to extend their cash runway and support future growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 38 cents for this quarter. However, CollPlant reported an adjusted EPS of 25 cents. How should investors interpret this?
While the reported EPS of 25 cents missed the forecast, it's an improvement from the 33 cents reported in the same quarter last year. This indicates that while CollPlant is still operating at a loss, they are making progress in reducing their losses. The single analyst forecast suggests limited coverage, which can lead to more volatility in expectations and actual results.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. CollPlant has announced several strategic initiatives, including a new partnership with a U.S.-based logistics center. How will these moves impact their market position?
The partnership with the U.S. Logistics Center is a strategic move to enhance their distribution capabilities in North America. This will support the expansion of their rhCollagen and BioInk product lines. Additionally, the appointment of Yehiel Tal as interim chairman reflects a leadership shift that could bring new strategic directions. These initiatives are crucial for strengthening their market presence and driving revenue growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, CollPlant has shown significant revenue growth and effective cost management this quarter. Their strategic partnerships, particularly with AbbVie, and market expansion efforts position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
CollPlant's focus on innovation and strategic partnerships is promising. While they face challenges, their efforts to streamline operations and expand their market presence are positive indicators for investors. It's a company to watch as they continue to develop their product pipeline.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CollPlant's performance in the comments below.